Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily add Snapchat widget on your Android's home screen. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all you'll have to tap and hold on empty area on your screen, and now you'll find an option of widgets on the bottom. You'll have to tap on it, and then you will be able to find a list of applications that have been installed on your phone. Now you'll have to look for Snapchat application, and once you have found it, tap on Snapchat and then tap on add widget. Now you can see the widget is being added to your home screen, and whenever you'll tap on this widget, you'll be taken to the chats of Snapchat, and that's how you can easily add Snapchat widget on your home screen. You can easily remove it by long pressing on it and tap on remove, and the Snapchat widget is removed from your home screen. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.